Yeah. Hi, I'm just checking to make sure the camera's filming. Okay, mukbang. Mukbang. I don't know if the angle's good, I'm scared. Hi. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Christine. Today's video, I have lots of food and we're gonna be doing a mukbang. I don't know what it's called, but we spent like $200 on food. So we're gonna eat. Another thing we might do is play this love language game, but they didn't have that in Canada, so I bought these Our Moments cards. Get to know us a little better. Yeah, I don't know. Hi. So yeah, let's just dig right in. I'm trying it too. Hola.
Nothing ever ceases to amaze me when it comes to KFC.
Except the food poisoning you get the day after you eat it.
KFC is amazing.
I actually had my first taste of food poisoning with KFC. Did you know that?
No. But I've always felt amazing afterwards because their sandwiches taste absolutely astonishingly awesome.
Oh yeah, we got pizza, KFC, Taco Bell, and Wendy's.
Basically all your soul foods, everything you want when you're down. This pizza is really good. What do you want to cook for next? No food.
Taco.
Taco?
A basic taco. We got the same, so we could just eat one of each.
Yeah. I'll wait for you and we'll cook together.
Bro, they didn't even like... Oh, hold on, wait, you gotta get the sauce. Do you want hot?
Sure.
I'm too short. They didn't give us any mild. They literally only gave us hot.
Yeah, but the hot isn't that hot. So, my only worry is about the fries. Like, the fries are what I'm afraid is gonna go bad first.
Okay, so let's eat the fries then. Why are we eating this then? Hello. Cheers.
Nothing ceases to amaze me when it comes to Taco Bell.
It's so gross. It's so bad for you. But it just slaps.
It's so amazing.
Oh, there's a bird.
Where?
Under the table, there's two of them.
Oh. That's before you smell all this.
Hello? Oh. No!
Good thing we got napkins. Take nice. Thank you.
That's good. Back in business. I want to have one of these fries.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cold already.
Yeah, but I don't mind fries cold, especially when they have toppings like this. No fork or anything.
There's a fork.
Should have expected that.
What the f?
Recording over here.
Shut up. I'm gonna try the chicken. going? Got chicken in it. So good.
Bacon cheeseburger. What in the? Why are you leaf blowing in the middle of November?
Because there's leaves on the ground. Diving into my pizza.
Be good. Ozzy, take nice.
That's good. Ow.
Because
Things I heard you.
what things make you sad as a parent and as a spouse?
Well,
Not a parent.
I'm not a parent yet, nor am I a spouse yet, technically. Hi, Barkley. So I don't really know how to answer that question. How about you?
Nope. I'd rather just move on.
Okay. No, don't put it back.
What are you too hard on yourself for?
Literally anything and everything.
Yeah, both same. That
Yeah.
one.
Okay, I'll go
turn.
next. What 5 things do you enjoy doing with me?
Hanging out, eating food, cooking, and mostly just hanging out. Yeah, I like our quality time.
Aww.
How about you?
The first thing you said was quality time without phones, just chilling, like laying in bed, eating, and like watching TV and stuff. I don't know how many that was. I think I got 5.
Yeah, you probably got 5.
Yeah, just chilling.
Because we all picked the same answer.
Yeah, literally the same.
Okay, what's next?
Oh, I'll pick again.
Yeah, you pick choice.
What do you place first in your life?
You, for most things?
I think like mostly like you, but also myself too.
Mm-hmm.
You kind of have to think of yourself as first priority as well. Yeah, just stuff it all in there. Okay.
Crunchy and delicious.
Wow. Insert wow line here. I don't know how to do that.
Crunchy and delicious. If a movie was made about your life, what celebrity would play you?
That's so hard.
Oh, I already know. Chris Farley if he was alive.
Okay, but
Jack Black. I'm a crackhead.
I'm a crackhead, yeah, I'm a crackhead. I really have to think about it. Emma Watson, even though she's British and I'm not. Or
Breakfast.
or I like Kate Hudson, but she's not really around anymore.
No.
But I like her. She's like one of my favorite actresses. So I think yeah.
Know who also I could think who could play you though?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
No, it's the girl. Know how everyone is always like, oh, like there's that meme and it's like these two should do a movie together, a husband and wife, and like.
Oh my God, Melissa McCarthy?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because like she is kind of your personality, where it's like super spontaneous and just like out there.
Yeah. You know what? Okay, yeah, sure. I can.
And then I could be what's his name? Could be me.
The guy who plays the guy in
Yeah, Hangover.
the guy of the guy.
What have you lost since childhood that you would like to regain? My virginity. No kidding.
My will to live.
Yeah, that would work.
I'm gonna
Don't choke on your food.
I don't know why that made me laugh so hard. Oh God. Which of my body parts is your favorite?
Boobies.
Non-sexual.
Your eyes.
Thanks.
How about you?
I like your eyes.
But how about sexual?
I think we already know that answer.
What's your idea of a perfect vacation? How can we make that happen?
Get rid of COVID.
Dublin, Ireland.
Yeah. I really want to go to Ireland or Amsterdam.
Yeah, I'm on board with that one.
How much money do we need in the bank?
How much money?
I don't think it matters.
It's like $100,000.
We need enough to survive. I think
No,
that's...
I need enough for down payment on home.
That's true. So like 30?
Yeah, 30.
Something like that?
Maybe 40.
What did you learn a little too late? Boy, let me tell you. You go first though, because I asked you.
I don't know. You go first. I want to hear that.
You are a second option or last option friend. 90% of the time when you're in a friendship with someone.
Okay, that's depressing.
It's depressing, but it's true. That's something I definitely learned a little too late. Once people f you over twice, don't let them do it a third time.
Probably my,
Cherish moments with your loved ones.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah, that's probably it. Cause like, I took my dog for granted when I was gone, so.
We take a lot of things for granted, I think.
What do you enjoy most in the bedroom?
Cuddle time.
But on a serious note.
Intimate times, as well as cuddling times.
Yeah, probably the same.
Yeah.
I like
It's like,
both.
I like the balance.
Yeah.
There has to be balance. Bro. Guys, chill out. What are you amazingly good at?
What am I amazingly good at?
I think that you're amazingly good at cooking.
Jesus Christ, man, we're in November. Anywho, I think you're amazingly good at art and graphic design, basically, like learning that stuff. And you're really good at learning like, new things quickly.
Thank you. I don't want this anymore.
Huh?
I don't want this.
What are you bored of?
Work.
Yeah, I just want some time off now to focus on other things.
And I know it sounds like dumb, because like at least I have a job, but like sometimes it just gets boring. Or it's just like I just want a day to like wake up late.
It's the craziest thing we've ever done together.
I can think of a few.
Well, name one.
'Tis not appropriate for the video, and I'm not risking my mother or someone finding it.
Okay, say it in my ear then.
No, because you're just gonna put it in.
No.
You'll
What?
say it, and then
No.
it's like the craziest. Like,
Yeah, that
yeah.
would be it.
Is that the same for you?
Yeah, the time we and stuff.
If you were to die 3 hours from now, what would you regret most?
Not traveling enough.
Yeah, same to be honest. I literally haven't been outside of Canada. I literally ate a single slice of my
I
pizza.
have 3 slices missing.
Okay, well we're gonna end it here. Are you done crossing in front of me? I'm gonna give you a minute. As I'm soaked from my iced tea that happened to spill on myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know my track record sucks for posting, but yeah, thank you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. I don't know when, but hopefully soon.
Yeah,
Subscribe.
and I'll see you in the next video.
Can you go turn it off?